In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center a title in Google Docs. If you want your document to look cleaner and more professional, centering a title is a quick and simple formatting change that can make a big difference. This is especially useful for essays, reports, meeting notes, or any document where you want the heading to stand out clearly at the top of the page. To get started, open your Google Doc. Make sure you're in the document where the title already appears or where you want to adjust the formatting of your heading. Once the document is open, locate the title you want to center on the page. Next, click directly on the title and highlight it. This step is important because Google Docs needs to know exactly which text you want to format. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor across the title until the full text is selected. If your title is only one line, just make sure the entire line is highlighted before moving on. After that, go to the toolbar at the top of the screen and look for the Align and Indent option. This is the formatting control that lets you choose how your text is positioned across the page. It's located near the top toolbar next to the Insert Image icon. Click on that alignment option to open the available text alignment choices. Once the alignment menu appears, click the Center Align icon. It's the second option from the left. As soon as you select it, your highlighted title will move from the left side of the page into the center. That's it. Your title is now centered in Google Docs. As a quick tip, if the title doesn't move as expected, double-check that the text was highlighted before choosing the alignment option. If nothing is selected, the setting may only affect text you type afterward instead of the title that's already there. It also helps to look at the toolbar after centering to confirm the center alignment button is active. Centering a title is a small detail, but it can instantly improve the presentation of your document and give it a more polished look. Once you know where the alignment controls are, it only takes a few seconds to do. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to center a title in Google Docs.